Geometry, Unit 5. The midpoint of a segment. If point A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and M, x and y, where M is the midpoint of segment AB, then M equals ordered pair x1 plus x2 all over 2 and y1 plus y2 all over 2. Example: if point x 3 and negative 2, point y negative 1 and negative 4, and M is the midpoint of segment xy, then M equals ordered pair 3 plus negative 1 all over 2 and negative 2 plus negative 4 all over 2. Then M equals 1 and negative 3. If point C 6 and negative 4 is the midpoint of segment AB, where A 5 and negative 3, then find the coordinates of a point B. Solution: consider that B x2 and y2, A 5 and negative 3, and the midpoint of segment AB is the point C 6 and negative 4. Therefore, x equals x1 plus x2 over 2, then 6 equals 5 plus x2 over 2, then multiply 6 by 2, then 5 plus x2 equals 12. Therefore, x2 equals 12 minus 5 equals 7. Y equals y1 plus y2 over 2. Then negative 4 equals negative 3 plus y2 over 2. Multiply negative 4 by 2. Then negative 3 plus y2 equals negative 8. Therefore, y2 equals negative 8 plus 3 equals negative 5. Therefore, point B is ordered pair 7 and negative 5. Example: if point A 8 and 4, B 2 and negative 4, C negative 2 and negative 1 are the three vertices of the rectangle ABCD, find the coordinates of the vertex D. Solution: let M is the point of intersection of segment AC and segment BD equals ordered pair X and Y. The midpoint of segment AC equals the midpoint of segment BD. Therefore, ordered pair 8 minus 2 over 2 and 4 minus 1 over 2 equals x plus 2 over 2 and y plus negative 4 over 2. The first equals the first, then 8 minus 2 equals x plus 2, because we cancelled denominator 2, the same denominator. Then x equals 6 minus 2 equals 4. second equals second, similarity. 4 minus 1 equals y minus 4, then y equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. Therefore, point D equals ordered pair 4 and 7. Example, if A negative 1 and negative 1, B 2 and 3, C 6 and 0, and D 3 and negative 4 are 4 points in perpendicular coordinates plane, prove that segment AC and segment BD bisect each other. Solution: the midpoint of segment AC equals ordered pair negative 1 plus 6 over 2 and negative 1 plus 0 over 2 equals ordered pair 5 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. The midpoint of segment BD equals ordered pair 2 plus 3 over 2 and 3 minus 4 over 2 equals ordered pair 5 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. The midpoint of segment AC equals the midpoint of segment BD. That means segment AC and segment BD bisect each other.